Build a Power BI portfolio project with me, live. In 2 weekends, you'll learn data analysis and modeling, write powerful DAX measures, build custom visuals using Claude AI with HTML and DAX, design professional dashboards in PowerPoint, and publish your portfolio on GitHub Pages. You get 4 live sessions, all recorded for replay. The Dataset, all project files, one-on-one mentorship, and a finished portfolio project you built yourself. We'll use Power BI for dashboards, Excel for data prep, PowerPoint for UI design, Claude AI for custom visuals, and GitHub Pages to host your portfolio. Weekend 1. We explore the data, clean it, build the data model, and write core DAX measures. Weekend 2. We create custom visuals with Claude AI, design the UI, polish the dashboard, and deploy your portfolio website. These are real dashboards built using the same techniques you'll learn: real estate, healthcare, IT support, sales, and supply chain. Every project follows the same professional standard. 1 project, 2 weekends. Your portfolio starts here, starting May 9th, Saturday and Sunday, 7 to 9 p.m. West Africa time. Register now. Link in the description.